I'm going to pull a fire alarm because I hate school.
Where's the fire?
I'm afraid that it was a false alarm. I'm going to check the security camera to see who did it. It was Constantine, and he ran out of the school.
What? Oh my God. I will have to call Robot Boy about this after we find him. Thanks for letting us know, Professor Moshimo.
Oh no, what did he do this time?
He pulled a fire alarm and ran away from school, and he's in big trouble.
Oh my God, you are so grounded when we get home.
Oh yeah. And there's more. Constantine will be having Saturday detentions with me for 6 months.
Before that, Constantine will be suspended for 1 month.
And he will have 2 restraining orders, one from this school, and one more from the fire department. If you step 500 feet to either of those places, you'll get arrested and a major fine.
And the fine if you get arrested will be paid by Robot Boy is $200,000.
Let's go home right now.
Constantine. I can't believe that you pulled a fire alarm. You are grounded for 34 decades. Go to your room now.
Yeah.